Welcome to Hope Natural Health, the podcast inspiring you to be your best version. Join me, your host, Dr. Erin, naturopathic doctor, dog mom, cancer survivor, and girl boss weekly as we discuss all things health, hormones, and happiness with a little side of this thing called life. Here we are, another week and another brand new episode. Last week, we discussed hormone replacement therapy, and I had a special guest on here, Dr. David Rosensweet. But now let's dive into this week's episode. Today, I'm going to be talking about glutamine and its benefits. Don't know what glutamine is? Well, you're going to learn a lot about it, so let's go. Glutamine is an amino acid that is found in high levels in our body and is actually important for many different functions. It's actually considered a conditional essential amino acid, meaning that under certain conditions such as injury or illness, the body may require more glutamine than it can produce on its own. One of the main benefits of glutamine is its ability to support the immune system. Glutamine is a key energy source for our immune cells, and a deficiency of glutamine can lead to a weakened immune response. In addition, glutamine has been shown to help reduce the length and severity of infections and illnesses in critically ill patients and athletes. Another benefit of glutamine is its ability to support gut health. Glutamine is a primary energy source for cells lining the gut, and a deficiency of glutamine can lead to inflammation and damage to the gut lining. Supplementation with glutamine has been shown to improve gut barrier function and reduce the risk of gut-related infections. One of my favorite supplements for anyone with increased intestinal permeability, leaky gut, food sensitivities, etc. Glutamine also plays a role in muscle recovery and growth. It is a major component of muscle tissue, and after intense exercise, the muscles release glutamine into our bloodstream where it can be taken up by other tissues that need it. Supplementation with glutamine has also been shown to reduce muscle soreness and improve muscle recovery after intense exercise. There are actually some studies that suggest that glutamine can have a potential benefit in preventing muscle wasting and promoting wound healing and also reducing anxiety. Glutamine is an important amino acid that is beneficial for a variety of functions in the body, including immune function, gut health, muscle recovery, and growth. However, there actually needs to be more research to understand its full extent and the optimal dosage for different conditions. But the recommended dose of glutamine can vary depending on the specific condition being treated and the individual's needs. Again, this dosage may vary depending on your needs. So it's a good idea to speak with your healthcare professional before taking any new supplement, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking any medications. But for general health and immune support, a dosage of 2 to 5 grams per day is commonly recommended. This dose is high, so usually it's done in a powdered form. For athletes and those engaging in intense exercise, a dosage of 5 to 10 grams per day is commonly recommended, especially when you take it after exercise. For critically ill patients, a dosage of 0.5 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day is commonly recommended, but only under the supervision of your healthcare professional. And for gut health, we like to dose about 2 to 5 grams per day to help restore the gut lining. So, are there any side effects to glutamine? In general, taking glutamine is actually considered safe. However, again, it's always recommended to speak with your healthcare professional. Some side effects that can happen but are rare are some nausea, stomach cramps, possible allergic reaction, although very rare. There might be some interactions with medications, so that's why, again, consult with your doctor first. And it might not be recommended for people with some medical conditions such as liver disease, kidney disease, or some autoimmune disorders. Is there anyone that should not take glutamine? I wouldn't really recommend it for those who are pregnant or breastfeeding, because there's really not enough research on the safety of glutamine during pregnancy and breastfeeding. People that have autoimmune disorders like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, it actually might overstimulate the immune system. As I mentioned earlier, kidney or liver disease, glutamine supplements might put additional strain on the kidneys and liver, so it should be used in caution. I also mentioned that some medications might be contraindicated, especially those that affect the immune system. And even if you have allergies, some people might become allergic to glutamine and develop some symptoms such as itching, hives, or difficulty breathing. So again, so many benefits to this essential amino acid. Have you tried glutamine? I'd love to hear about it. Thank you all for joining this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. We're only 2 more episodes away from our live 100th episode, where I will be answering your questions live here in the studio on Tuesday, May 23rd at 10 a.m. Check out the show notes for the link to submit your question that I will answer live. Can't wait to see you all then.